Hey everyone, and welcome back to the CodeMechanic channel. Today, we re-diving deep into one of the most powerful diagnostic suites in the agricultural world, the Case IH and New Holland Electronic Service Tool, or EST. If you work with red or blue farm equipment, you know how crucial it is to have the right tools to minimize downtime and maximize efficiency. Well, this is the factory-level diagnostic software that the dealership technicians use, and we're going to show you exactly what it can do. Let's get straight into it. The EST is a comprehensive diagnostic kit designed specifically for CNH brands, which include Case IH, New Holland, Steyr, and Flexi. This isn't just a generic code reader. It's a full-fledged service tool that communicates with every electronic module on the machine. We're talking about the engine, transmission, hydraulics, GPS, and the entire CAN network that connects them all. When you connect the EST to a tractor, combine, or sprayer, you gain complete access to the machine's brain. So, what does that mean for you on a practical level? First up, diagnostics. You can read and clear diagnostic trouble codes, or DTCs, from every single controller. But it goes way beyond that. The EST gives you detailed descriptions of each fault, helping you pinpoint the exact cause of the problem instead of just guessing. Is it a faulty sensor, a wiring issue, or a mechanical failure? The software provides the data you need to make an informed diagnosis, saving you hours of troubleshooting time and unnecessary parts replacement. One of the most powerful features is the ability to view live data streams. You can monitor hundreds of parameters in real time. Think about it. You can see engine RPM, turbo boost pressure, fuel rail pressure, hydraulic pump output, and clutch engagement status, all on one screen. This is invaluable for diagnosing intermittent issues that only appear under specific operating conditions. You can even run the machine and watch the data change, helping you see exactly what's happening when a problem occurs. But the EST is more than just a diagnostic tool. It's a programming and calibration powerhouse. Need to install and program a new ECU or transmission controller? The EST is how you do it. This software allows you to perform critical calibrations that are essential for optimal performance. You can calibrate the transmission clutches for smooth shifting, adjust the hydraulic valves for precise implement control, and even fine-tune the steering system. These calibrations ensure that all components are working together perfectly, which directly translates to better fuel efficiency, productivity, and operator comfort. Let's talk about some of the advanced functions. With the EST, you can perform injector cutout tests to identify a weak or failing injector without having to pull them all. You can run automated diagnostic procedures that guide you step by step through complex troubleshooting processes. For example, if you have a low power complaint, the software can run a series of tests on the fuel system and turbocharger to narrow down the potential causes. You can also update the firmware on various electronic modules, ensuring your equipment is running the latest software from the factory with all the performance improvements and bug fixes. The EST also gives you access to the full wiring diagrams and service manuals directly within the software. This is a game changer. No more flipping through dusty paper manuals or searching online for the right diagram. When you have a fault code, you can often click on it and the software will pull up the relevant wiring schematic and troubleshooting guide. This integration makes the entire repair process faster and more streamlined. In summary, the Case IH in New Holland Electronic Service Tool is the definitive solution for anyone serious about servicing and maintaining CNH agricultural equipment. It enables you to perform dealer-level diagnostics, run advanced tests, program new modules, and perform critical calibrations. It's the key to reducing downtime, cutting repair costs, and keeping your machinery running at peak performance. Whether you're an independent mechanic, a large farm operation with your own service bay, or a fleet manager, this tool is an essential investment. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more in-depth content on diagnostic tools. And as always, if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. We'll see you in the next one.